Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy stock? In this video, we will explore MicroStrategy in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Point. Since the 2nd of July, 2025, our system has ranked MicroStrategy as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 1.65. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.14%. This equates to an average return of 0.20% per day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and moderately rising trend in the short term, and there are indications of a potential upward movement within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a possible change of approximately 8.27% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging between 0.9% and 19.86%. Expanding our view to the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of 70.15%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 29.96% to 167.95% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would place the future price between $539.24 and $1,111.77. Our latest daily update from MicroStrategy features the headline, "A positive day on Thursday for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock," with a gain of approximately 0.545%. On the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of July, 2025, the price of MicroStrategy Incorporated stock increased by 0.545%, rising from $412.67 to $414.92. During the trading session, the stock experienced fluctuations of 3.39%, with a low of $406.17 and a high of $419.95. Although the price has risen on 6 of the last 10 days, it is still down by 1.62% over this period. Additionally, the trading volume decreased by 6 million shares on the last day, with a total of 7 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $3.06 billion. It's important to note that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock reached $543, while the lowest was $102.40. Currently, the price stands 23.59%, or $128.08, below the 52-week high of $543, which is also the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, traded under the ticker MSTR, has experienced a notable decline, closing at $412.67 with a decrease of 3.22% on July 23, 2025. Despite this slide, the company has seen significant stock growth with a 25% increase since recent coverage began, outpacing the S&P 500's 9% return during the same time frame. A critical aspect of MicroStrategy's strategy is its substantial Bitcoin holdings, amounting to 607,770 Bitcoins, valued at approximately $71.96 billion, with a market capitalization of around $120.87 billion. The company is part of an ambitious plan to raise $84 billion through its 4242 capital plan. Aimed at scaling its operations in the cryptocurrency sector, analysts on Wall Street continue to view MicroStrategy as a strong buy, signaling bullish sentiment that could bolster the stock price in the near to medium term. The ongoing acceptance of Bitcoin as a viable store of value is another factor contributing to MSTR's favorable outlook. Additionally, MicroStrategy announced plans for an initial public offering of its preferred stock, STRC, which may provide supplemental capital for corporate purposes. While the recent downturn poses short-term challenges, the long-term trajectory seems supported by strong underlying fundamentals and strategic initiatives. Market sentiment and Bitcoin performance will be pivotal in influencing MSTR's stock price moving forward. Analyst Ratings. On Monday, the 14th of July, 2025, it was reported that Cowen and Company assigned MSTR a buy rating, accompanied by a hold action. On Monday, the 19th of May, 2025, Canaccord Genuity also gave MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald rated MSTR with a hold while maintaining a hold action. Additionally, on that day, Barclays provided MSTR with a hold rating and a hold action. Finally, on Friday, the 16th of May, 2025, UBS rated MSTR as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy. The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. In the event of further gains, the stock may encounter resistance at approximately $430.10. On a decline, it will likely find support near $400.19. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, it is noteworthy that volume decreased during the last trading day, despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning sign. Close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also emerged, potentially influencing short-term developments. A sell signal was noted from a pivot top point on Wednesday, July 16, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by approximately 8.99%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 66 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 57 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy Incorporated finds support from accumulated volume at $414.38. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock exhibits average daily movements and maintains a solid trading volume, resulting in a medium risk profile. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $13.78 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.39%. In the past week, the stock experienced an average daily volatility of 4.63%. Stock fluctuated by $13.78 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.39%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may indicate a lack of profitability and could signify risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 31st of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 12 cents. It is important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy is at $423.22. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, MicroStrategy encounters its first support level at $414.38. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Xiaowei Ming, who bought and sold 22,402 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 33.479. In total, insiders purchased 135,309 shares and sold 273,063 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $392.43, reflecting a decrease of 5.42%. This stock exhibits moderate daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 6 days ago. Is MicroStrategy stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, alongside a generally favorable trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for MicroStrategy Incorporated stock to perform well in the near future. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 25th of July, we anticipate that MicroStrategy will open lower by $1.24, starting at $413.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree and are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.